In this video, I'm going to show you how you can generate your Facebook ad image creative in under 30 seconds. And the only thing you need is a simple prompt, which I've already provided in the description. Just copy that, insert your product or services and click paste and watch for the magic. The tool is free, you don't need to pay anything.
Alright, so come to Whisk. This tool was developed by Google. It's part of Google AI tool. Come to lab.google/fx tools or whatever, or just type whisk.google. You'll see this. Just make an account and you're good to go. Just click on all tools or click here, make an account. So I've made an account already. We're here. What you have to understand about this tool is you can either create an image creative from scratch just by providing text and it will come up with something nice, or you feed it some data like something you want it to model for you, it will come out with something very nice. So we're going to create an image creative from scratch by providing just a text, a prompt. I provided this prompt for you in the description, so copy that and make some modification based on your own product or services and you'll come up with something nice. Now let's paste this here, just give it some time. It's going to come up with two versions of this and I'm telling you it's going to be crazy. Like, this is beautiful, this is beautiful, this is beautiful. And what you have to do here is just download this and change the image. You can add your image, go to Canva and add your image and all of those. So if you want to refine any of these, maybe not like anything here, just click on refine, give it some time. Click on refine. You see tired of chasing clients. If you want to change the headline, you can do that. You can click here to download, you can click here to delete. If you want to change the call to action, you can do that. And another cool thing about this is you can animate this very image. You can animate it just by clicking on this animate. You can animate this image, give it some animation, what you want to like to see, just a few prompts to animate it. You can do that, but we are not here to animate. Another way which you can come up with a very nice image creative is to give it some, maybe you got any image creative from online, you saw an ad that is really performing well, you want this tool to create that version using your product. You can also do that. So I'm going to upload some image here. Click on upload image. So after uploading your image, the only thing you need to do is to give it an instruction of what you want it to do. Purpose of uploading this image is for this tool to create a version like this lady holding a supplement or something with this flags. That's what we want. Now we're going to give it a prompt. This prompt I also provided it in the description. So copy that, come back here, clear this and paste. And the most beautiful thing about this tool is it's free and it gives you a very realistic image that is like, it will stop your ideal customers from, oh my god, this is crazy, this is crazy, this is beautiful. And if you want to refine this, you can go ahead and change that. It's so crazy how AI have evolved in a short period of time. Oh, this is crazy. So this is how you do it. You can download this, you can convert it to PDF version, take it to Canva. If you want to change anything to your taste, you can click on refine and add some prompts so that it can make some modifications of things you like or things you don't like, you want it to remove. So this is how you can come up with your Facebook ad image creative. And another thing is you can use this to create your thumbnail, your YouTube thumbnail, your Google ad image creative. Any of those, this can give you a very nice creative. So and if you want me to make any other video about any other AI or concerning Facebook ads, just comment box, I'll make a video on that.